In this video, we'll take you through a simple step-by-step process to get a wallet, get Ethereum, get Wise, and get your simulator. First, let's get a wallet. Go to metamask.io, and when you get there, click on Download Now. You can install MetaMask on Firefox, iOS, or Android. This example will be with Firefox. Click on Install MetaMask for Firefox. It takes you to the add-on page. Click on Add to Firefox. Click Add the extension. You can allow the extension to run on private windows if you'd like. Click OK. You'll now see the MetaMask logo in your browser. Click on it. Click on Get Started. You can restore a wallet or create a new wallet. We'll create a new wallet. Click on I agree. Create a password. Click Create Wallet. This will show you your secret backup phrase. Write this down on a piece of paper. Do not take a photo of it or say it out loud. This is very important to keep your wallet secure. Only write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in several locations. Click on the screen to reveal the seed phrase. This is a 12-word phrase that only you know that allows you to restore your wallet off of any device. Write each of the words down in order from left to right, top to bottom. When you're finished, click Next. To confirm your secret backup phrase, simply click each of the words in order until you have selected all 12. Then click Confirm. Congratulations, you now have your wallet set up in your browser. MetaMask now has token swapping, but you can close this window. You'll now see that you have MetaMask installed in your browser. You can also click on the MetaMask logo and it will show you a small version of it. Now let's get some Ethereum. If you go to wisesimulator.com, we'll go back to this website in a moment, but if you click on the MetaMask icon, click on Buy, you'll see three options. The first is you can transfer Ethereum from one wallet into this wallet. If you scroll down, you can purchase with a debit card through Wire, which we'll demonstrate in a second, or you can use CoinSwitch and swap tokens into Ethereum. Click on Continue to Wire. Select the amount of Ethereum that you'd like. Click Next. Fill out your information. At the very bottom, click Submit, and Ethereum will show up in your wallet. Now let's get some Wise tokens. To get 10% more absolutely free, go to wisesimulator.com, click on the Get Wise link, and you'll be taken to wisetoken.net. You'll want to connect your new MetaMask wallet to this website in your browser. Click on Connect with MetaMask. Click Next and Connect. Your MetaMask wallet is now connected to the smart contract at Wise. You can verify this by looking at the wallet address and making sure it matches your new wallet. Click on Reservation page and scroll down until you get to any of the reservations that are left. Click on Reserve Wise. Click on Confirm after you've put in the amount of Ethereum that you wish to reserve on that specific day. The transaction will show up in your MetaMask wallet. Click Confirm and the reservation will be submitted. If you want to reserve multiple days to save on transaction fees, hover over your wallet address at the top, click on Reserve Wise Tokens, select all days, and then deselect days you would not like to reserve on. Make sure you have enough Ethereum and click Confirm Reservation. All of your reservations will then show up in your personal dashboard. Now it's time to get your simulator. Back at wisesimulator.com, scroll down and look at some of the features that are in the simulator, and then scroll to where it says Free Download. You can open it directly or save the file to your desktop. Just click OK. Click on any of the inputs to change the parameters in the simulator, and watch our other videos on this channel for a better understanding of how to utilize the simulator. And that's it. You now have a wallet installed, Ethereum, Wise tokens, and a simulator. What you also have now is an easy way to help anyone get involved with Wise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video so it'll help the algorithm. The more people that know simply means the more dough in your pocket.